Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land, another food review, another snack review, where we usually try something different, something new, something unusual, something I have not eaten before. Today I'm going to try probably several things. This is also an unboxing video from a friend for Christmas. I got this little nifty box here. This is an International Yummies by Matleas. International Yummies by Matleas box. So I'm not for sure exactly what's all in here. We're going to open this up together for the first time, see what is inside, and taste some of these international goodies. So let's see here. Oh, there's tape. There's always tape. Here we go. Ooh, says, welcome, the realm of snacks. You just opened a portal to the realm of snacks. A place unknown to maps but full of taste. From snowy peaks to glowing seas, every land creates a new flavor and a new hero. Collect them, taste them, and explore their world. And they've got, I don't know, it kind of looks like almost like a monkey saying buttery toffee magic, slow to start, sweet to finish. An octopus saying these crunchy oat biscuits smell like home and taste like victory. We have a little Buddha, or a little sumo wrestler, saying these wafers are light as air until they hit like a champ. And lastly, a duck in armor saying this cocoa cream biscuit is smooth, noble, and dangerously drippable. So there's kind of the illustrations there. Ooh, there's more. Oh my gosh, there's like it's like a whole booklet thing. It is a whole booklet. And there's actually stickers. I have a sheet of stickers here. I guess these maybe with all the different candies here, I'm not for sure. A scrapbook of flavors, a journey through snacks. So this actually tells about all the different, it's the booklet about all these different snacks and other snacks, other foods around the world. I am going to have to peruse this later. So that's kind of cool. All right, so here's the first layer in the box. We have Olympian Thunder VinQ. There is Galapagos, Speedus, and Victoris. Dark O'Clock Flight. These are miniature carrot cakes here. Snack Hells. 5-second rule. So that's the first layer. Looks like there's 3 layers in this box. Oh my gosh, there's so many snacks. The Culinary Court of Table Manners. Tropenet under Nordlies. Glow like a Neanderthal. Glow like a Neanderthal. Hypnotized Shippy Sheep. Motivated-ish Bamboo Eater Needs a Job. Some of the names of these things, my gosh. Apprentice to the superhero Slavanek. Slotherage speed hack for the slow. Volunteer alien at the pyramids. Yes up for pinkies. Yes up for pinkies. And lastly, who is Mr. Clammin? So there are quite a few snacks here to taste from, to choose from. I'm not for sure where to begin. So let's just see. Let's start here with the Olympian Thunder VinQ. Olympian Thunder VinQ. Okay, there's a little chocolate cookie there. It's got like a little chocolate cookie with cream center. Not bad. For a quick snack, not bad. Now let's try the 5-second rule. I'm gonna try to, these kind of are different shapes, different layers. Try one from each layer, each shape. The 5-second rule. Oh my gosh, that is one giant cookie cracker. I'm not sure if that's marshmallow or I think it's a marshmallow in the center. Petite Bureau biscuit. So I wonder if this is from France. I don't know. Let's find out. I'll take a bite and see how it tastes. It's basically a graham cracker with marshmallow filling. Let's try one from the next layer. Let's go with the Culinary Court of Table Manners. The Culinary Court of Table Manners. I'm gonna take a bite, try each of these, and I'll decide what my three. Let's decide. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There's about 17 or 18 of these. So I'll decide which is my 3 favorite, and then I'll find out more information about them in the booklet. These look like little goldfish right here. Oops. Not bad. Okay. And let's go back to the bottom. We're going to go to with the apprentice to the superhero Slavenex. Apprentice to the superhero Slavenex. Kind of fun to say. Oh, these are like the little sticks. It's like not quite like a pretzel. So far, overall, I would say I like this the best. I like this the best as just a snack. All right, next let's try the Galapagos, Speedus, and Victorious. Any of you getting hungry out there? Ooh, these are little, there's 6 of them. Look like miniature, oh, it's a little miniature wafer cookie wafer. chocolate cream, looks like. Wafers. That's exactly what it is. Tiny little wafer cookie. Let's try next. Motivated-ish. A bamboo eater needs a job. Motivated-ish. A bamboo eater needs a job. I know with the light, the glare, it's kind of hard to see there a little bit. And these are a unique looking cracker. It's a little bit tinier than a Ritz, but it kind of looks like a little Ritz cracker with little seeds on top. It's basically kind of what it tastes like, is a Ritz cracker. I'm not for sure what the seeds were, but it's pretty good. Next, let's go to, that's the apprentice one. Let's go to Slothoridge Speed Hack for the Slow. Slothoridge Speed Hack for the Slow. This is supposed to be a candy. Okay, and they've got 4 pieces in here. It's soft candy. Looks almost like a tiny piece of toffee. I bet it is kind of like taffy or toffee because of the speed sloth reference, speed hack. I like the flavor. It's like a vanilla coconut. Very good. All right, Dark O'Clock Flight. That's the next one. Dark O'Clock Flight. And these are little muffins. There's 2 little muffins in there. And with this one, we will have finished the first layer of snacks. It's really good. As you would be able to tell by my rotund physique, I tend to like baked goods, so I really like that one. This is Tropinette under Nordlies. Chocolate cookies. There's 4 little chocolate cookies there with chocolate on them. We're going to go next. These are spicy cracker bites, but volunteer alien at the pyramids. Volunteer alien at the pyramids. See that? Got a little bit of spice to it, but not too bad. Layer 1 is done. We've got 2 more on layer 2. Let's try the hypnotized shippy sheep. Hypnotized shippy sheep. This is there's 4 crackers here. This top one is broken in 2, but let's try this one. Not too bad. It's just a cracker, but a little more tasty than just a regular cracker. All right, I think we're getting to the end here. Almost. We've got like 1, 2, 3 things left to try. Who is Mr. Clammin? These are coconut wafers. All right, and there's 3 medium length coconut wafers here. They've got, actually, I guess the coconut is the cream inside, because the wafer itself is a chocolate wafer cookie. So far, everything has been good. The only one I didn't like was the 5-second rule, but because I'm not a big fan of marshmallows, but glow like a Neanderthal. Neanderthal. Glow like a Neanderthal. Lemon cream filled biscuits. I like lemon. There's 2 in here. Looks like the first ones we tried, the chocolate cookies, except these are more of a normal color. But it does have like a little yellow cream there. It might not be showing up on the camera very well. I can taste the lemon though. And lastly, we have Yes Up for Pinkies. Yes Up for Pinkies. It's supposed to be chili lime stick crackers. That's kind of what they look like. It's like the other stick crackers we had earlier. I didn't realize that's what they're called. They're stick crackers, but and on a spicy note, that's for sure. All right. I'm gonna take a moment, pick out my 3 favorites, share them with you, and we'll learn a little bit about each one. All right, we are back. I was a little bit mistaken about the booklet. It does not tell where each of these snacks come from. It does tells a little bit. It does give a little snippet that ties into the theme with each one or whatnot, but it's not about necessarily where they come from. There are some of them. It does specifically say, like there's one here from Germany, That's kind of obvious, but we didn't have the one from Germany. This company, it is a legitimate company you can just order things from online. You can buy them on Amazon or other places. But it was a couple who were inspired by the snacks in the local grocery store, and they started traveling around and they gathered these snacks. And I don't know if these snacks are actually manufactured separately by them. Oh yeah, there's some of these, like this one said Turkish. This one was made in Wyoming. Another one made in Turkey. Turkey. So Turkey seemed to be the place where a lot of these were made. But my guess is, my understanding from reading because I did look on the website and reading the information here on the pamphlet, that these are snacks from around the world, but they make them and they're mass produced in smaller quantities specifically for this company to put in these boxes and then ship them out. So instead of buying secondhand, you're not buying necessarily directly from the people that are making them, but buying from a company that makes things like that. Basically, I believe that's. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. I'm sure I am. But I have my top 3. So first one we're going to start with is the Volunteer Alien at the Pyramid. Volunteer Aliens at the Pyramids. Now, I believe this one is inspired by some snack crackers from Egypt. These are very good. They remind me of Gordettos, but there's a little bit of spice there. It's a very unique flavor. That was number 3. Number 2, we have Dark O'Clock Flight. This was the mini carrot muffin snack. That was really good. I like carrot cake. Like I said, baked goods in general. But number 1, surprisingly, for me. Oh, wait a minute. Found another one. Fell down here. We've got Snack Heist. Gotta try this one. It's a wafer with cream. Let's try this one real quick. Bonus footage. And have you ever watched Adam the Woo videos? Passed away not too long ago, right before Christmas 2025. We usually have bonus footage. Well, this is bonus footage in the middle of our footage. It's a giant wafer cookie. Looks like there's a split here. No, I guess not. It's just one giant wafer cookie. It's good, but it's not going to make my top 3. My top one is The Apprentice to the Superhero Slavenex. And that is right here. These are stick crackers with spices. This was the first stick crackers that I had tried. Out of all those snacks, this is my favorite. I could just munch on these throughout the day. It would really dull my appetite. I mean, they're very good, but these are very filling. They're very tasteful. They're full of flavor. I don't know if a cracker is made in the shape of a stick, is it less calories? So there we have it. We have this pink International Yummies by Matleas. And very cool. I have enough snacks there to last for a week or two. Although I tried one of each in the sitting here at one time. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. I thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.